Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the sunburst charts in Python, right? So what is sunburst chart? Sunburst chart plots visualize hierarchical data spanning towards the radical from root to limbs. So the root starts from the center and the children are added to the outer ring, right? So as you can see over here, so this is the parent, this are child, this are all sub-childs, right? So we are going to talk about how to create this kind of charts, right? So let's get into this example. So first they have declared data which is equals to dict, which is a dictionary where character, where they have mentioned all the characters in the list. So these are all the characters we are going to talk, and the parents for each child. So Eve has no parent over here, so we have kept it blank. Then Shane has Eve, Seth has Eve, Enos has Seth, and so on. And we have described the values for each of the character. So Eve's value is 10, Shane's value is 14, and so on. Then we have created px. The px is nothing but plotly.express. px.sunburst, we have defined the data, the names of the character, the parents of each character, and value which is equals to this, right? And when we show this, we get this kind of chart. So the Eve is the main parent, Seth is the child of Eve, Chain, and so on, right? So when you click what they say, you get more details, right? So Gnome's value is 2, Enos value is 10, and so on, right? This is what a sunburst looks like. So let's create a sunburst for our data frame. So let's create our own sunburst plots. So I have imported all the necessary libraries, then the data frame of the sales. Now let's create a figure plot, right? So figure equals to px dot sunburst, right? So we'll define the data on which we want to work. So df comma, so we'll describe the path. So path is nothing but on which order they need to slice the data to create a circle. So first we will want on the order priority. So order priority will be first column on which the data is to be splitted, then customer segment, right? So then it should divide the data on customer segment, and then on the shipping mode, ship mode, right? So then we will describe the values. It should show values which will be equal to sales, right? And then for the color should be depending on the sales figure, right? And we will plot the graph by pyo dot plot. Yeah, so this is what we have created. So first this is the order priority, low, critical, medium, high, not specified. Then there comes the customer segment, corporate, consumer, small business, all different types of customer segments for each. And then comes the shipping mode. So as you can see over here, this is the color of the sales. So this is the highest sales. So as you can see, the highest sale is in regular air in the medium, right? Medium order priority. So clicking on the medium order priority, we get this. So again in this, we can see the consumer has the highest value for sales. So let's go into this consumer. So yeah, so in consumer, there were three ways of shipping mode: regular air, express air, and delivery truck. Where the regular air had the maximum sales, right? So this is what a sunburst looks like. It looks cool.